Welcome to Tuesday's Ed Tech Tip tutorial. Today we are spotlighting Canva. As you begin in your Canva account, make sure it is one by Provo City School District. It makes everything available for you as an educator. If you have difficulties with this, please contact the tech department with a work order. Today I'm going to be spotlighting the features that are already available for educators. So we will visit this top bar where it says education, and we will go into teachers and schools. Go ahead and slide down the screen and you will want to get to this part, Canva in your classroom, and click Learn More. Here you will be able to see a lot of templates that are available already pre-made for teachers, especially teachers who are busy. So you can scroll through these and anything that you like, click on it and go see how other teachers have created it for you. At the bottom of this page where it says Canva Live, you can get here and find some videos that will help you become a Canva connoisseur. Now we're going to come back to the top and go to the teaching resources. So I hope you find this the go-to place, ready to teach lessons in all subject areas. And how do you find those? You just scroll on down and go to Explore the Library. Now you'll recognize this as your Canva workspace. Here's where we go. Grade levels, all the way up to seniors in high school. We can also search by subjects. Here we go. Or we can do resource types. I think of this as a catalog. And in this search bar, I'm going to go to math and polygons and see what comes up for math and polygons. So I have some worksheets that I have available, classifying, and this looks like it's a movie. I have infographics or posters that I can use. Here's one of 11 with lines of symmetry. So I can take these and build upon them in my classroom. Also included in today's Tech Tip tutorials are 2 Canva playlists. Let's go in and see what it's like. Here is a table of contents that will allow you to go to your resources really quickly. Right here is that next level Canva playlist. So after you go through this first one, you'll be ready to tackle the second one. Now, as a Canva user for over 2 years, I want to tell you, I learned so many tips and tricks from just creating this beginner's playlist. The first one is this cheat sheet. Hyperlink to it, and each one of these buttons will take you to these various things. And wonderful thing about this playlist is if you hit the back, you get to go back to the table of contents. Otherwise, it's just like a Google slideshow. You could click down through. All the videos are linked in here, and most of them are under 3 minutes. Second playlist of tutorials include teacher-created videos, and they tell you what they have done with the Canva products in their own classroom practices. They're a little longer, but they will totally get your ideas generating. I hope you have enjoyed today's EdTech Tip tutorial. Please tune back to find out about Canva Translate for our world language DLI, as well as those new to the country students, and how you can increase their accessibility to your classroom products. Bye!